Hey guys, so it's day 2 ng ating 100 USDT SpaceX Challenge. And today, share ko lang kung ano yung mga nangyari during day 1. We have these setups na TP and up tayo 9 USDT. We discuss as well yung pinaka trading journal. So, yeah, today ay pag-uusapan natin kung ano yung mga nangyari during day 2. And yeah, before tayo dito mag-start, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na ito, please like this video first. Subscribe nyo yung YouTube channel natin, turn on the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel, guys, no? So, discuss ko lang yung pinaka nangyari during day 1 sa pinaka-screen natin sa desktop. Alright, so transition tayo dito guys sa desktop. So maganda itong app na ginagamit natin dahil kita yung pinaka-records, trade history, yung summarize ng P&L natin daily guys, no? So day 1, I mentioned this, started tayo ng July 2, matatapos tayo July 31, no? So wala pang pinaka-trading records for today. So tomorrow yan, abangan nyo na lang. So basically guys, no, kahit papaano we can just reload muna ito. Ayan. So dito guys, no, makikita natin yung pinaka PNL natin. So along the journey or this challenge ay makikita nyo dito guys, no. So may setups tayo today na share ko na rin ito sa ating Discord. So mamaya share ko sa inyo. You can check as well itong app na ginagamit natin, nakalagay naman ito sa description ng video na ito. And kung gusto nyo sumali sa ating Discord dahil yung setups natin today, ayan, so iba-blur ko na lang for fairness na lang sa mga nakapag-join na dito dahil off-cam, dito ko sinashare yung pinaka-ideas, no? So dito yan sa my Genesis, chat, market intelligence, and yung setup natin kahapon, ayan, ito with SpaceX, ito yung naging PNL niya guys, no? So ito yan, itong 9.52 USDT. And yung setup natin today, it's Ansem. Wala pa ata ito sa ibang application. Pero dito sa ginagamit natin is available na, no? So you can check. And you can also join dito sa ating Discord. So feel free to join lang sa Discord. Yung mga official link, lalagay ko na lang sa pinaka-description ng video na to guys, no? Para na rin makaiwas sa mga phishing links online guys, no? So kindly check yung mga official links dito guys, especially your online and dito sa crypto space, no? So ngayon, we contested ng pair na ito. Na-explain ko na ito as mentioned dito sa ating Discord guys, no? So this one. So hindi tayo dito nag-share ng any yung spoon feed na idea, but we have these potential targets and invalidations guys, no? So naka-blur lang ito pero merong pinaka-trade setups tayo dito sa market intelligence. And kung ano nga ba yung nakikita natin sa pair, no? Or doon sa napili natin na iti-trade, no? So like for example, we're watching breakout retest, previous resistance attempts to act as new support as long as the structure holds, bulls still have a chance to push higher, no? So we have the setups for a potential longs and yung targets, we mentioned that as well. So yan guys, na again, itong video natin today is just for ideas lang, a challenge, a thesis for entertainment purposes only. It doesn't qualify as an investment or financial advice guys, no? So feel free to comment, ask questions during this challenge, and if naka-join kayo sa Discord, message nyo lang ako doon para magkaroon kayo dito ng access for market intelligence, and meron din tayo ditong Alchemist chat, meron tayong mga discussions and other informations, ideas guys, no? So pretty much it guys, day 2 pa lang naman tayo, and itong pinaka-data na ito, it will be filled out during this challenge or along this SpaceX 100 USDT challenge guys, no? So yung isang pair na exotic, yun yung open positions ngayon. I'm trying to trade ng SpaceX during market volatile, Monday to Friday yan, NY sessions, no? So yun guys, no, feel free to join lang sa ating Discord. You can explore as well this app. Ito yung gamit natin for the challenge. And hope you get some insights, ideas dito. May share ko yung realistic scenarios dito guys. So yun guys, if you find this video interesting, please like, comment, and subscribe sa ating YouTube channel. And kung meron pa kayong mga questions, if you're interested dito sa ating challenge, ay you can join naman sa ating Discord, other details pa, and kita-kits tayo sa day number 3 tomorrow. Yun lang. Peace out. Bye for now.